Been riding hard for 3 days, and I can't turn back now. They sentenced me to hang, but I slipped away somehow. Hell, I'm the best there is, and that's all you need to know. I've got outlaw blood and a restless, weary soul. And I'm trying to cross the border before the sun sets down tonight. If I keep on riding hard, I'll be a free man come daylight. Hell, I'm the best there is, and that's what I hear them say. But I guess I always knew that I'd pay my debt someday. And they found me in a little town just outside of Mexico. I was sold out by a friend for a handful of pesos. And anyone can tell you my guns, they were not drawn. I was murdered down in cold blood and left to die at dawn.